my smoked salsa verde. I was going through Superstore and found these gorgeous tomatillos, so decided let's dice them up and get a salsa verde done. Cut them all in half. Let's move on to the onions. Cut them all in half, maybe even quarters. Get some jalapenos, hull them, cut them up. I've always got a jar of garlic confit on hand. Now let's get a little bit of oil on all these veggies and start seasoning. Give it a little bit of SPG and a heavy dose of taco tilly time. Give all this a little mixy and make sure everything's covered properly. Get it in the smoker at 300 degrees for about an hour to an hour and a half. If you don't have a smoker, the oven works just fine. Once all those veggies are nice and tender, wrap it up, let it sit for an hour. Now we get it all into the blender, juices and all, dump the pan. Give it a little zing with your blender, get it nice and pureed. Then we add a little cilantro to the mix. You cannot do it without it. Give it one more zing and you have my recipe for